Introduce highlight features and overview of Ninja OL501 Foodi Pressure Cooker Steam Fryer, with 14 programs, SteamCrisp Technology, Cook and Crisp Plate, Reversible Rack and 45 Recipe Cookbook. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include pressure cook, air fry and steam crisp, all under one smart lid. Smart lid slider, slide to unlock 3 cooking modes and 14 cooking functions all under one lid. SteamCrisp Technology, steam and crisp at the same time for faster, juicier, crispier results without drying out. Unlock the juiciest way to air fry, prepare one-touch meals up to 40% faster *, and bake artisan breads and cakes up to 25% faster. *vs traditional cooking methods. Stainless steel reversible rack, steam, broil and increase cooking capacity for one-touch, 2-layer meals. 14 programmable cooking functions, pressure cook, steam and crisp, steam and bake, air fry, broil, bake/roast, dehydrate, sear/sauté, steam, sous vide, slow cook, yogurt, keep warm, proof. Meet the Ninja Foodi 14-in-1 6.5 QT Pressure Cooker Steam Fryer with Smart Lid. The pressure cooker that steams and crisps. Smart Lid Slider unlocks pressure cooking, air frying, and steam crisping, all under one smart lid. SteamCrisp Technology steams and crisps at the same time for faster, juicier, crispier results without drying out. 14 one-touch programs unlock even more versatility. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.